I lost another bar, so I'm down to 7 capacity bars on my battery. And I was at the store today getting some eggs, and a guy asked me how long it takes to charge my car, and I was tickled. I love talking about my car, and it takes about probably 2 hours on the level 2 charger now with that few bars, and I'm still getting about 70 kilometers in this kind of weather. It's 10 degrees, so I had my heat on this morning, and if everything's turned off, the climate control, I'm getting probably about uh, over, I'd say around 90, so definitely over 80 kilometers, and that's probably like, what, 55 or 50 miles? And that's plenty, whenever I go out with this car, it's usually to the office and back, or to pick up eggs like just today. So it's plenty, and we're moving out to the country, and I'm gonna keep the car because for one trip, I think it'll be enough. But I'll keep you posted for sure, because it is a 9-year-old Leaf, and it is down to 7 capacity bars on the battery. So that was just a quick update. Just wanted to let you know how we're doing with the old Leaf and the old battery. Until next time, cheers.